I've been using Tiger rice cookers in my kitchen for years, and they've become my go-to for soft, fluffy rice that turns out right every time. I trust Tiger because the build feels solid, the cooking is steady and even, and it fits so well into busy American weeknight routines. Finding the best Tiger rice cooker can feel hard when every model looks the same online. The truth is, the best Tiger rice cooker is the one that fits your kitchen size, the rice you cook most, and how hands-off you want the process to be. I've tested a few in my own home, cooking everything from simple white rice to brown rice for busy weeknights, and I've learned what really matters beyond the specs. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence, and all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Tiger 5.5 Cup Induction Rice Cooker. The Tiger 5.5 Cup Induction Rice Cooker is perfect for anyone who wants the best Tiger rice cooker with advanced technology and precision. I really notice the induction heating tech, which cooks rice evenly and brings out its natural sweetness every time. The far infrared inner pot holds heat well, so the rice stays warm and fluffy without overcooking. With 14 menu presets, I can easily switch between white rice, brown rice, porridge, or even mixed grains depending on my mood. The LCD display and dual timers make planning meals simple, and the 24-hour keep warm function is great for unpredictable schedules. Cleanup is minimal, as only the inner pot and lid need washing. While it's a bit more expensive than basic models, it's worth it for consistent results and versatile cooking. For anyone in the US who loves perfectly cooked rice and smart kitchen tech, this Tiger 5.5 Cup Induction Rice Cooker is a top choice. Number 4. Tiger 1-Liter Mini Rice Cooker. The Tiger 1-Liter Mini Rice Cooker is perfect for anyone who wants the best Tiger rice cooker in a compact, travel-friendly size. I love how 15-minute fast cooking gets a small meal ready almost instantly, which is ideal for busy mornings or quick dinners for 1 or 2 people. The all-in-one multi-cooker feature is surprisingly versatile. You can make rice, oatmeal, soups, or even desserts without hassle. Its 1-liter capacity is small but just right for solo meals or couples. The removable non-stick pot makes cleaning a breeze, and the keep warm function ensures food is ready when you are. I also appreciate the thoughtful heat dissipation design, which helps protect the cooker and extend its life. While it's not ideal for large families, this mini rice cooker is perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, or travel. If you want a simple, fast, and flexible cooking solution, the White Tiger 1-Liter Mini Rice Cooker makes life easier without taking up much space. Number 3. Tiger 5.5 Cup Stainless Steel Micom Rice Cooker. The Tiger 5.5 Cup Stainless Steel Micom Rice Cooker is a versatile choice for anyone looking for the best Tiger rice cooker with smart features. I love the 10 auto cook settings, which let me easily switch between brown rice, porridge, or mixed grains without guessing cook times. The Tacook tray tech is a game changer. While the rice cooks, I can steam vegetables or proteins on top, and the flavors stay perfectly separate. Its 5.5 cup capacity is just right for a small family, yielding about 11 cups of cooked rice. The inner pot feels durable and scratch-resistant, so I still hand wash it to maintain the coating. I appreciate the 12-hour keep warm function, which keeps meals ready for unpredictable schedules. This rice cooker feels premium, but remains easy to use every day. For anyone in the US looking for a reliable, multifunctional rice cooker, the Tiger 5.5 Cup Micom Rice Cooker balances convenience, flavor, and cleanup beautifully. Number 2. Tiger 10 Cup Conventional Rice Cooker. The Tiger 10 Cup Conventional Rice Cooker is perfect when you need a simple, reliable way to cook large batches of rice. I love how single push button makes cooking effortless, even on hectic mornings. It handles up to 10 cups of uncooked rice, which is great for family meals or meal prepping for the week. The detachable inner lid makes cleaning so easy, which is a lifesaver compared to other large cookers I've tried. The non-stick inner pot feels sturdy and scratch-resistant, so I don't worry about messing it up while scooping rice. The 12-hour keep warm function is a bonus for long days when dinner timing isn't predictable. It looks sleek in the kitchen too, with its obsidian black finish that fits modern American kitchens well. If you're looking for the best Tiger rice cooker for big meals, this model is simple, dependable, and keeps cleanup stress-free. Number 1. Tiger 5.5 Cup Micom Rice Cooker White. The Tiger 5.5 Cup Micom Rice Cooker White has been one of the most reliable picks in my kitchen when I want the best Tiger rice cooker for daily meals. It uses Tacook tray tech to cook rice and your main dish at the same time, which saves me on busy weeknights. I can steam salmon or veggies on top while the rice cooks below, and the flavors stay clean. The Micom control adjusts heat on its own, so white rice and brown rice both come out soft and even. The 5.5 cup size is great for a small family and can make enough for meal prep. I also like the 12-hour keep warm feature for long days when dinner timing isn't predictable. The inner pot feels solid, though I still hand wash it to keep the coating nice. If you want the best Tiger rice cooker that is simple, smart, and practical, this one is a strong choice. Final verdict. After testing several models, I personally recommend the Tiger 5.5 Cup Micom Rice Cooker White as the best overall pick. It balances smart features, reliable cooking, and a family-friendly size, making it perfect for everyday use. Its Tacook tray and multiple auto cook settings make meal prep effortless, while the keep warm function ensures rice is always ready. For those who need a larger or budget-friendly option, the Tiger 10 Cup conventional rice cooker is a great choice. It's simple to use, handles bigger batches, and still delivers consistent results. If you want a rice cooker that fits your kitchen and lifestyle, check the description link for current prices and more details. Pick the Tiger rice cooker that suits your needs and enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time.